Now, before I go and eat this alligator jerky stick, I will play you a song to commemorate the death of this alligator. And this guitar is not in tune because I haven't played it in like at least a month because I've been like just sleeping. So yeah. Alright, I'm gonna go throw this bridge. I'm gonna go throw this alligator. I can't speak English! What is this? I'm gonna go throw this guitar off a bridge along with myself. Alright, let's go, boys. Alright, let's review it. The sound of opening... Wait, where's the mic? That is a very long stick you have there, Mr. Alligator. So salty. Alright, so in terms of the texture, it kind of has the texture of alligator. The taste, very surprisingly, also tastes like alligator. Mixed with lots of salt. For exotic foods, I will give it a 2 out of 10. Just tastes kind of like meat. For flavor, I'll also give it a 2 out of 10. For saltiness, this gets a freaking 11 out of 10. A full score. Wait. Yeah, a full score plus 1, because that's just how salty it is. Holy smokes. The League of Legends community is less salty than this. I'm gonna go stop. I'm gonna go dive whatever disease you get from too much sodium.